y is equals to ln, ano daw, square root ng tangent hyperbolic 2x. Ayan. So, ano lang to, maglilat lang ulit tayo dito. Kasi, derivative ng ln u is equals to 1 over u times derivative ng u with respect to x. So, maglilat tayo dito. Let u be equal to square root ng tangent hyperbolic 2x. Ito, branch to kasi nasa loob siya ng square root. So, para mag-derivative natin ng maayos yan, or ma-differentiate natin ng maayos yan, gagawin natin yung square root as a power of 1/2. Then, ano lang yan? Power rule. 1/2 tangent hyperbolic 2x. Then, negative 1 over 2. Naka-reach siya sa negative 1 over 2. Okay, then 1 over 2 hyperbolic tangent of 2x raised to 1/2. Ayan. Pero hindi pa nagtatapos yan dyan. Kasi, kailangan nating kunin yung derivative nitong tangent hyperbolic 2x times derivative ng tangent hyperbolic 2x. Ayan. So, note natin na ang derivative ng hyperbolic tan u, yung u natin is, gagamitan na lang natin siya ng chain kasi ganun din yung magiging itsura nun. Second, hyperbolic squared u times derivative ng u natin with respect to x. So, ano ba yung u natin? Let na naman ulit tayo. O kahit sabihin na siguro natin na v na lang. Kasi, may gumamit na tayo ng u kanina eh. So, let v be equal to 2x. Derivative ng v natin with respect to x is 2. So, derivative nitong tangent hyperbolic 2x is 2 second hyperbolic squared 2x. Ayun na. So, na lang natin? I-simplify na lang natin. Alright? I-simplify na lang natin siya ng very, very light. Okay, so, dito tayo magsimula. Dito tayo natapos, di ba? So, 1 over 2 times, sabihin na square root yan. Square root ng hyperbolic tangent ng 2x times 2 second hyperbolic squared 2x. Tama lang. Tama lang. Ang kinuha lang natin is yung yung u eh. Yung sa ln pa lang to ha. U pa lang ng ln to ha, pero ganito nakahaba. So ito na yung ito yung derivative ng u natin with respect to x. So derivative ng y with respect to x is equal siya sa 1 over, ayan, so square root ng hyperbolic tangent 2x times yung derivative ng u with respect to x natin since dito siya galing. Okay. So, yung derivative ng u natin with respect to x is ito na. Times 2 second hyperbolic squared 2x over 2 times tangent hyperbolic 2x. Itong 2 magka-cancel. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Okay. So, bali ang magiging sistema na lang yan is second hyperbolic squared 2x over, since parehas tong square root, pwede siya mag-multiply. Kasi multiplication naman yan eh. So, ang gagawin ko na lang dito is hyperbolic tangent of 2x na naka-square. So, itong square root at saka yung squared magka-cancel. So, secant hyperbolic squared 2x over tangent hyperbolic 2x. Equation number 1. Equation pa, Equation number 1 kasi from this point on, iaano na lang natin yan, i-simplify na lang natin yan. Parang expression simplification na lang yung gagawin natin. Okay, so, bale, na lang yan. From number 1, dy over dx is equals to secant squared hyperbolic 2x over tangent hyperbolic 2x. Itong secant squared, pwede natin siya i-rewrite as 1 over cosine squared x. So, sulit na lang natin para ma-visualize. 1 over cosine hyperbolic squared 2x over identity ng tangent sine hyperbolic 2x over cosine hyperbolic 2x. Yung cosine hyperbolic dito sa taas magka-cancel, mawawalan siya ng isa, pero dito sa baba cancel na totally. So 1 over cosine hyperbolic 2x over sine hyperbolic 2x. Itong cosine hyperbolic 2x, pwede natin siya ibaba. So, bale, 1 over sine hyperbolic 2x cosine hyperbolic 2x na lang yan. Parang may need pa tayo ulit i-simplify dyan. Parang need natin gamitan ng simplification yan. Again, by using yung identity na alam natin, okay? Yung ginamit natin kanina na ito, sine hyperbolic x cos x is equals to 1/2 sine hyperbolic 2x. Pero kung may laman yung kung may laman yung sine hyperbolic semi hyperbolic cosine, sabihin na natin theta na lang. Cosine hyperbolic theta is 1/2 sine hyperbolic 2 theta. Let theta be equal to 2x. Okay, so sine hyperbolic 2x cosine hyperbolic 2x is equals to ano na lang yan, 1/2 sine hyperbolic 2 times 2x. So 1/2 sine hyperbolic 4x yan. dy over dx is equals to 1 over, since na-simplify na natin yon, 1/2 sine hyperbolic 4x na lang yan. Okay. So, ang pwede natin gawin dyan is i-multiply natin yung numerator and denominator by 2. Cancel. So, 2 over sine hyperbolic 4x na lang yan. So, 2 times 1 over sine hyperbolic 4x. Parang may identity na naman tayo nakikita rito Ito. Ang identity niyan, reciprocal ng sine. Kahit sabihin natin sine hyperbolic x is cosecant hyperbolic x. So, therefore, ang derivative ng y over y with respect to x natin is 2 times cosecant hyperbolic 4x. Ito na yung sagot natin sa pagkahaba-haba na problem na yon.